Welcome to Spoken Hindi course by G Master of Manappare. Once again, you are welcome to Rehan Honor Spoken Hindi course. In this chapter, we shall see about the active and passive voice in Hindi. There are certain rules for active and passive voice. In Hindi, if you change your sentence from active voice to passive voice, for all the tenses, the main verb must be changed into simple past tense. Then the helping verbs will indicate the gender, the number of the object, as well as the tense. Passive voice is based on object, not subject. In passive voice, say will be added with the subject. We shall take active to passive voice in pronoun. Let's see now active voice and passive voice in present tense. We shall have the object masculine singular, feminine singular, masculine plural and feminine plural. हम सबक पढ़ते हैं. We read the lesson. Active voice. हमसे सबक पढ़ा जाता है. The lesson is read by us. लड़का रोटी खाता है. The boy eats a bread. लड़के से रोटी खाई जाती है. A bread is eaten by the boy. बच्चे कई चित्र बनाते हैं. The children make many pictures. बच्चों से कई चित्र बनाए जाते हैं. Many pictures are made by the children. वे कविताएं लिखते हैं. They write poems. उनसे कविताएं लिखी जाती हैं. The poems are written by them. Now we shall see active voice and passive voice in present continuous tense. मैं पत्र लिख रहा हूँ. I am writing a letter. पत्र मुझसे लिखा जा रहा है. A letter is being written by me. आप बिल्ली पाल रहे हैं. You are rearing a cat. आपसे बिल्ली पाली जा रही है. The cat is being reared by you. राजू घोड़े खरीद रहा है. राजू इज बाइंग द हॉर्सेस. घोड़े राजू से खरीदे जा रहे हैं. The horses are being bought by राजू. बिमला किताबें बेच रही है. बिमला इज सेलिंग द बुक्स. बिमला से किताबें बेची जा रही हैं. बुक्स आर बीइंग सोल्ड बाय बिमला. Now we shall see active voice and passive voice for simple past tense. तुमने खिलौना खरीदा. You bought a toy. तुमसे खिलौना खरीदा गया. A toy was bought by you. हमने सब्जी लाई. We brought vegetable. हमसे सब्जी लाई गई. The vegetable was brought by us. पिताजी ने पैसे दिए. Father gave the money. पिताजी से पैसे दिए गए. The money was given by father. आपने लड़कियों की मदद की. You helped the girls. आपसे लड़कियों की मदद की गई. The girls were helped by you. The next thing, active voice and passive voice in past continuous tense. लड़के गेंद खेल रहे थे. The boys were playing football. लड़कों से गेंद खेला जा रहा था. Football was being played by the boys. अम्मी चाय बना रही थी. The mother was preparing tea. अम्मी से चाय बनाई जा रही थी. The tea was being prepared by mother. मैं 4 पत्र लिख रहा था. I was writing 4 letters. मुझसे 4 पत्र लिखे जा रहे थे. 4 letters were being written by me. लड़की बकरियां चरा रही थी. The girl was grazing the goats. लड़की से बकरियां चराई जा रही थीं. The goats were being grazed by the girl. Finally, we shall have the active voice and passive voice in future tense. मैं पत्र लिखूंगा. I shall write the letter. मुझसे पत्र लिखा जाएगा. The letter will be written by me. लड़की हिंदी सीखेगी. The girl will learn हिंदी. लड़की से हिंदी सीखी जाएगी. हिंदी will be learned by the girl. हम खिलौने खरीदेंगे. We shall buy toys. हमसे खिलौने खरीदे जाएंगे. The toys will be bought by us. सीता लकड़ियां काटेगी. सीता will cut the sticks. सीता से लकड़ियां काटी जाएंगी. The sticks will be cut by सीता.